What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's safe and sound and healthy. It's almost a new year in a few weeks, and I'm pretty sure we all got New Year's resolution. I do. I'm trying to lose some weight. I've been saying it forever, but I'm gonna try hard next year to try to drop some weight. It's gonna help me out. Hiking and just more overall, ability to continue hunting. Plus, I got two boys, a 4 and a 1 year old, and I can't wait to do more things with them. So, this next video, I know it's probably happened to many of us. This is probably the second time it's happened to me. So I decided to go hunting, tree squirrel hunting, a couple weeks ago, early in the morning, and I was up high, up in the tall pines, didn't see nothing. So I decided to drop down lower to, where there has some oaks. So I heard like two tree squirrels kind of chasing one another around this tree. So, I went down, to where I heard the sound, and I was just being quiet, not thinking too much about anything. And all of a sudden, this creature, you know, uh, came pretty close to me, and I was pretty shocked and pretty happy, to experience something like that, that close. And I just want to share with you guys, and hope you guys enjoy this video. So check it out. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you saw, there was a nice 3x3 buck, and there was another buck that it could have been a doe. I'm not too sure. I could barely make out the figure, but I don't know if it grunted or in bleak or the other terms what deer does, but I'm pretty sure you guys heard that sound I made. So I'm not too sure. I don't know if the buck was just curious, just wanted to check me out. I'm pretty sure he saw me, even though I did my little funny, snort wheeze at him twice, and he came back around a second time just to, I don't know, look at me again. I don't know. Maybe he thought, I was, he was an intruder or another buck. But let me know, what happened there, because I'm not too sure. I just think that I was just there at the right time, and yeah. So drop down a comment what you think happened. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And Bantail Pigeon is opening up pretty soon on the south side. There's north and there's south. So I hope to get a video of that, and hope to share it with you guys. So until next time, take care and be safe.